Hello and welcome to Orissa Post Live. This is Lopita presenting the news headlines of the day. Regular and ex-regular students of Plus 2 Arts, Science, Commerce and Vocational streams should fill up online form by 3rd March for upcoming examinations. The Council of Higher Secondary Education CHAC Monday issued a notification announcing the filling up of forms for annual Plus 2 examinations 2021. Filling up of forms will commence from 6th of February. State Transport Authority Odisha has signed an MOU with National Small Industries Corporation for implementation of smart queue management system with a view to make RTOs across the state queueless. According to a source, the project will be implemented in a phase-wise manner. In the first phase, Anugul, Balasore, Bhadrak, Bhubaneswar 1, Cuttack, Ganjampuri and driving testing track at RTO 2 in Bhubaneswar will be included at an estimated cost of Rs 2.18 crore. In the following phases, all the remaining RTOs will be covered. Prime Minister Narendra Modi Monday announced an ex gratia of Rs 2 lakh each to the next of kin of those who lost their lives in a severe road mishap in Koraput district late Sunday night. The Prime Minister also announced Rs 50,000 to those who sustained critical injuries in the mishap. The amount will be released from the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund. An ex gratia of Rs 2 lakh each from Prime Minister's National Relief Fund would be given to the next of kin of those who have lost their lives due to the unfortunate road accident in Koraput, Odisha. Rs 50,000 would be given to those seriously injured, PMO tweeted. These days, small businessmen in Anugul town are experiencing something that is not only new to them but also quite unusual. They have been approached by 4 to 5 youths offering them loans without any collateral or mortgage. The lenders take only the Aadhaar card and mobile numbers of the interested businessmen. They are reportedly offering loan between Rs 5,000 and 25,000. The Kuakhai police in Jajpur district Tuesday took prime accused in Jharafula Nayak death case Rakesh Swine on remand for 3 days. According to a source, his interrogation has already started at Kuakhai police station with Jajpur SDPO leading the interrogation. Congress and other opposition parties Tuesday forced adjournment of Rajya Sabha proceedings for the third time in the pre-noon session as they insisted on taking up a discussion on the issue of farmers' protest over the 3 new farm bills. The House was first adjourned for about 40 minutes till 10:30 am. As soon as the House met again, similar scenes were witnessed, leading to another adjournment till 11:30 am. The health condition of 12 children who had been administered hand sanitizer drops instead of oral polio vaccine drops in Maharashtra's Yavatmal district is stable, an official said Tuesday. An inquiry has been completed into the accident which took place Sunday. That's all for today. To stay updated, stay with Orissa Post Live.